Welcome, food adventurers. Step right into our vibrant kitchen, where every meal is a new journey and every recipe tells a story. Today, we're diving into a true classic, Southern fried chicken. This isn't just any dish, it's a beloved staple that's been cherished for generations. Southern fried chicken is more than just food. It's a plate full of happiness, warm welcomes, and memories made around the table. Every bite is a perfect mix of golden, crispy skin and juicy, tender meat inside. It's a flavor explosion that keeps you coming back for more. This dish brings families together, filling the room with laughter, stories, and the irresistible sound of crunching chicken. Whether it's a special occasion or just a regular night, fried chicken has a way of turning any meal into a celebration. That first bite? The crunch is legendary. So satisfying, it echoes through the room and makes everyone smile. Southern fried chicken is loved worldwide, a dish that's been perfected over generations and shared across continents. Each family has its own secret blend of spices, but the goal is always the same: golden, crispy perfection that's impossible to resist. It's comfort food at its best, whether you're at a sunny picnic, a lively family reunion, or a cozy Sunday dinner at home. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water, filling the air with the promise of something truly delicious. Making it yourself is easier than you might think, and we'll be right here to guide you through every step, from seasoning to frying. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and get cooking? Let's unlock the secrets to making your own unforgettable Southern fried chicken. Let's get started. First up, choosing your chicken. You can cut up a whole chicken or buy pre-cut pieces. Both work great. For classic Southern fried chicken, use a mix: drumsticks, thighs, wings, and maybe breasts. Bone-in, skin-on pieces are key for juicy meat and crispy skin. Rinse your chicken under cool water, then pat it completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial. Dry chicken helps the coating stick. Lay out your pieces, they're ready for their transformation. Prepping your ingredients sets the stage for delicious results. You're the director, and the chicken is your star. Take your time with these first steps. They make all the difference. With your chicken prepped, you're already on your way to fried chicken greatness. Let's move on to the next secret. Ready? Now let's talk about the secret to irresistibly tender, flavorful chicken: a luxurious buttermilk bath. This simple step is what elevates your fried chicken from ordinary to extraordinary, and it's a trick that's been cherished by home cooks and chefs alike for generations. Buttermilk's gentle acidity works wonders, slowly breaking down the proteins in the chicken. This process makes the meat incredibly juicy, tender, and full of flavor, ensuring every bite is moist and delicious. To start, pour enough buttermilk into a large bowl or a sturdy zip-top bag to completely cover your chicken pieces. Make sure every piece is well coated for the best results. Next, season the buttermilk generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For a little kick, add a splash of your favorite hot sauce. This not only adds heat, but also layers in extra depth of flavor. Submerge the chicken fully, cover the bowl or seal the bag, and place it in the refrigerator. Let it marinate for at least 4 hours, but if you have the time, leaving it overnight will give you even better results. This marinating time is crucial. It allows the buttermilk to work its magic, infusing the chicken with flavor and tenderness. While your chicken soaks, take a moment to relax. Let the transformation happen in the fridge while you unwind or prep your next ingredients. The difference is clear. This buttermilk bath is what separates good fried chicken from truly unforgettable fried chicken, with a texture and taste that stands out. Don't be tempted to rush this step. The extra time is absolutely worth it, and your patience will be rewarded with chicken that's tender to the core. When you're ready to cook, you'll notice your chicken is now beautifully tender and packed with rich, savory flavor, ready for the next step. This simple marinating trick is a true game changer, and once you try it, you'll never want to skip it again. Now let's get ready to coat our chicken in a flavorful, crispy crust that will take it to the next level. The next step is all about building that irresistible crunch. Let's dive in. Time to give our chicken its signature crunchy coat. Start with all-purpose flour in a shallow dish or paper bag. Add salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of cayenne. Mix well, This is your flavor-packed breading. Take chicken from the buttermilk, let excess drip off, and coat thoroughly in the flour mixture. Press the flour onto every nook and cranny. For fun, use the bag method. Add chicken, close, and shake until coated. Place coated pieces on a wire rack to rest for a few minutes. This helps the coating stick and crisp up during frying. The seasoned flour is your chicken's armor. Get ready for the sizzle. Frying is next. Let's make it golden. It's time to fry. Get ready for a kitchen adventure that's all about golden, crispy perfection. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a first-timer, frying chicken is a delicious ritual that brings people together. Start by choosing a heavy pan, like cast iron, which holds heat evenly and helps your chicken cook just right. Pour in an inch or two of neutral oil. Something like canola or vegetable oil works best for a clean, crisp finish. Heat the oil to 325–350 degrees Fahrenheit, 165–175 degrees Celsius. Using a thermometer is the easiest way to make sure your oil is at the perfect temperature, so your chicken fries up crispy, not greasy. No thermometer? No problem. Just drop in a pinch of flour. If it sizzles and dances on the surface, your oil is ready for action. Carefully add your chicken pieces to the hot oil using tongs. Be gentle and don't overcrowd the pan. Each piece needs space to get that perfect crunch. Fry in batches if needed. This keeps the oil temperature steady and ensures every piece gets evenly crispy and golden. Let each side cook for 6–8 minutes, watching as the crust turns a deep, mouth-watering golden brown. The sizzle and color are your cues. Flip each piece gently and repeat on the other side, making sure every inch gets that irresistible crunch. Your chicken is done when the crust is golden and the inside reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Use a thermometer to check or pierce the thickest part. Juices should run clear. Remove each piece and let it drain on a wire rack. This keeps the chicken crispy and lets any excess oil drip away. The aroma filling your kitchen is absolutely irresistible, and the sound of sizzling oil means you're just moments away from a feast. Perfect frying is all about patience and attention. Watch closely, adjust the heat if needed, and enjoy the process. It's part of the fun. Soon, you'll have a platter piled high with golden, crispy chicken that's ready to share with family and friends. Fried chicken is more than just food. It's a tradition, a celebration, and a way to bring people together around the table. Ready for some fun facts? Let's dive into the stories and secrets that make this dish so special. In the South, fried chicken is more than food, it's tradition. Think picnics with cold fried chicken, church potlucks, and friendly recipe rivalries. Every family has their own twist, making each batch unique. Chicken fries bring people together for music, games, and plenty of crispy chicken. It's all about sharing good food and good times. You did it! Your platter of golden, crispy chicken is ready. Serve it with mashed potatoes, creamy coleslaw, and flaky biscuits. Add macaroni and cheese, collard greens, or corn on the cob for a true feast. Pair with sweet tea or lemonade for the perfect southern touch. For dessert, try pecan pie or peach cobbler. The goal, a table full of flavors and happy faces. Making fried chicken at home is fun and rewarding. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Homemade always tastes best. Cooking is about sharing and making memories. Enjoy your masterpiece. You're a fried chicken champion.